Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Darkest Self Tanner Kit from the line b.tan. This is the little bag it comes in, and oh my god you guys, I am so impressed by this product. So it comes with this little applying mitt and of course the actual product, which is kind of like a mousse or foam I would say, and it is so easy to apply you guys. So this is a 1 hour self tanner. You can leave it on for longer, some people even sleep in it. I only left it on for 1 hour and I am so much darker. I did make a video before and after and you can tell the difference already. I do want to try it out again and possibly leave it for more hours because it is incredible. Let me tell you guys, there is absolutely no smell. It dries up. You're not going to be feeling sticky or nasty, and it is so easy. So first of all, you're going to want to exfoliate. There's actually a mitt for that they sell as well, and then you're going to want to shave too, and then you can apply this all over your body. They even have a We Got Your Back tan applicator, so if you don't have an extra set of hands to help you get all of your back, you want to be using that as well. And there you go. All you got to do is keep it on for an hour or longer and then wash it off. I definitely recommend this product. I saw great results. I absolutely love the tan that it gave me. I look like I've been on the sun for days and I only use this for an hour. This is incredible and I recommend this to anyone trying to get tan in the summer without being in the sun.